Hi everyone, today I want to teach you how to make how to create a timetable for an organization, a brand, a company, an organization, a brand, a company, your company or your client. How to create a timetable for their Google AdWords campaign or search engine marketing. If you're going to get a contract, like say like a 6 month contract, a 1 month contract. So I'm gonna help you out with like creating 2 month timetable or a calendar you use. So right now I'm on Google Drive. I prefer using Google Drive. The address is drive.google.com. Drive, which is this drive.google.com. I prefer using the Google Drive. Number one, it is free. It has a free plan, the paid plan. Before you even get to that, it might take a longer time. This is it, and at the end, you tend to subscribe at a lower amount, a very low amount to use almost all the packages on Google uh, or whatever they offer. So once you're here, you click on New. The drop down will appear. Then you click on Google Sheet. Then you have to select blank. If you select uh, blank sheet, let's say you select blank sheet, you want to make it like this. Look at this. I have one. This is the main timetable. I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, five. So a row and a column. Five. I think I have seven column and then five row. This is five row, seven column. So what is what you do? You edit. Let's delete from here first. So now I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I have to delete three. Don't worry. There's a reason why I'm deleting four, but I'll let you know. So one, two, three, four, five, six. So if I want the other one, so if I want one here, I have to right click. Then I click, insert one column to the right. So I have seven. So this is supposed to be five. You can hold from here. I'm holding it. Hold, highlight, then delete. Hold, highlight, then delete. So I click, then delete. And let me reduce the size. You can use Control minus on your desktop, on your laptop to reduce the size. This is five. You're supposed to be able to delete. It's Control plus. This is it. 5 to 1,000. Delete. So one is missing. So how do I hide that one? You can either do like this. One, then add one. Alright, click here, then add the row below, whichever you prefer. So this is how you get the table ready. So Control plus on your keyboard. So this is what I need. So I've done this before. I just want you to know the process. So let's go back to what I did. So first of all, you have to name the document. So you name the document here. So this document is for brown white pages. I can go like this, brown white pages. Google AdWords timetable. or template, whichever you prefer. I'll go with timetable because I want this to only contain the timetable. So this is the first week of August, second, third, and fourth. So this is what I tend to do. First of all, I'll need to do keyword research. So I said keyword research for them. Secondly, ad copy. I create ad copy. You can watch my video on how to create ad copy on my channel, which is Brown White Pages on YouTube. Secondly, ad copy. So this is for creating the ad. This is for ad copy. Basically, the ad copy is supposed to come here before this. So I didn't take note of that. So I have to do that ad copy first because you need to get an ad copy. Let me show an ad copy um, on a Google search. Let's search for MailChimp on Google. This is an ad copy. This is the headline. This is the description. This is the final URL. The headline, the description, the final. Let's reload. Let's reload. Let's check what will come out. Now we're seeing marketing, sales, tools, personalize your email. Let's reload. Let's check what will come out. Something different. Okay, this is no. This is not an advert, but let's do it on another browser. Let's go to Google on an Edge. On an Edge. Let's do it here. MailChimp. I guess we might get something different. That is what you call an ad copy. So you have to, I believe, my personal belief from my experience with Google, I personally believe it's better you create 3 ad copies. As you can see, this is just personalize your emails. Let's reload, let's check if we get something different again. Something different again, marketing and sales. So we have 3 ad copies. Let's do again, we might even see more than that. Or we still have marketing and sales. Let's check again. Marketing and sales. So maybe there's a possibility to only did 3 ad copies. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Ability to only did 2 ad copies. So let's move on to what we're doing. Let's move on. This is it. Like I said, you name it, then you just do all these ones. So you have to do this. But like, you have to follow the normal procedure. You do your keyword research, you do the ad copy, create your ad, do your keyword research, create it. Yeah, so depend on the landing pages. For this, I think I have like if I have create ad, maybe I want to be able to do this for like 2 days, then everything is ready. Then the ad will be ready on this day. Then I have to optimize on this week. So on this week, the ad will be ready second week, first week, then I optimize this week. So I would like to do something like this. Ad copy, ad copy. So I'll create the ad copy together. Okay, this is good. Then here optimize, create, optimize. It depends. I think I have a lot of job for to do when it comes to creating the ads. I have to be creating it. So this might change later to optimization, depending if I finish this. Then I need to give it a color. So the color of the brand is brown. I'll click here. One, come here. Then I'll select brown. I want something that is light so that they'll be able to see. Brown, white. So I think there's something like black on the logo. So I'll go for this black. I can even go for the brown. What kind of brown? You can play around, but basically just these 2 lines. I think this should be better. This should be brown white with it's good. So this is it. This is how you create the ad copy. This is how you create the Google AdWords timetable. I'm going to do other videos on how to create a data marketing timetable, the social media timetable. Come watch them on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.